Bridget, very good to see you. I'm glad you have time to talk today. I know you're busy, but I did want to talk through recent market volatility. It is January 21st as we are recording. And of course, we're all seeing the headlines, we're hearing about it, and we're a little bit stressed. What's going on right now in the markets?
Well, the news does dictate a lot of the behavior of the market. And what's happening now is a reaction to what's happening across the world. And so what we're seeing is a lot of volatility. Yesterday, the S&P went down about 2%. We want our clients to know that you are not 100% in the S&P. So
Right.
there, you're going to see a little volatility, but we have built your portfolio to weather these kind of volatile sessions. So it will smooth out. Actually, today, in the last couple of hours, the market's already rebounded 1% on the S&P. So you are going to see that volatility, but we have planned your portfolio to weather these things. So, and we'll make adjustments accordingly if it does start going more severe.
Yeah.
However, you can look at this positively too. This is a good opportunity to maybe buy into some of those positions that were a little bit too expensive a minute ago. So, so we're always looking for that option as well.
Right. You bring up so many good points. And sometimes it helps just to even talk it through and hear you kind of say, of course, this is part of the plan. Sometimes, again, Bridget, as humans, we tend to overreact to these stories. This is known as the investing cycle of emotions. Explain again how this works.
Well, when it's going up, obviously everybody's on top of the world. Then it starts going down and the fear starts setting in. And typically the untrained investor will be fearful and hope it's going to come back. And then when they get all the way to the bottom, that's when they sell and they've lost all those gains. So you have to really monitor your emotions, and we have to be systematic about watching for what's really causing the downturns and the behaviors that we can study that can tell us whether this is a short bobble or maybe a longer correction. So, and if that's the case, we do correct for that. So,
right. Knowing that you are making decisions based on decades of data as opposed to how we feel in the moment, preventing us from making those knee-jerk decisions. That being said, Bridget, if somebody would still like to talk to you and, just kind of, again, hear how they're positioned, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Call us at the office. We are here all day long, 480-581-8545. And please call if you have any insecurity about what's happening. We would be more than happy to talk to you and give you some comfort and get you on the
perfect.
Make you feel more comfortable.
Yes. Thanks again for your time today. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.